much CROSSNET for sponsoring this video. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Jacoby. So today I'm going to tell you how to practice volleyball at home. Another way to practice volleyball at home is with a CROSSNET. So the setup of CROSSNET is really easy. Literally, you just have to put the stakes in the ground, put your poles to the correct height, put the net through the poles, and that is it. Make sure the net is obviously not sagging, that it's a tight net, and then you get to start playing. You can also set this up on a beach, literally grass like I did, or you can do it indoors in a gym. It literally doesn't matter. It's so versatile. You do it in your backyard. That's why I love CROSSNET, because you can literally just do it anywhere and you can still stay safe and stay at home and play with your family, so you don't have to go out in the gyms, but you can still practice what you love. Okay, so basically how the game works is that there's 4 squares and the net is divided into 4 squares, and there's also lines that you can draw, so obviously you can have it in or outline. So basically you pick a square, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 4th square is kind of like the queen square. Like that's where you can only score your points. And if you've ever played like traditional 4 square, you know, then the 4th square, that's where you can only score a point, and the goal is to get to 11 points. So how you initiate the game is the person in square 4 steps out of bounds and they serve over to square 2. And that's just diagonal of them, okay? So once they serve, they receive, and the person in square 2 receives the ball and they can go any square they want, 1, 3, or 4, okay? So when that happens, you rally until the ball is dead, and you only get 1 touch. That's what I absolutely love about this game, because it really challenges you to like be smart where you're placing the ball. You can use your hands, you can hit the ball, you can work on your blocking. It's so great for learning or just perfecting all your volleyball skills, so I really enjoyed that part of it. And also, if y'all have any additional players, I only played with 4 exactly, but if you have any additional players, they fill in square 1, so there's like a line. So if the person in square 4 loses, you rotate clockwise and the person who lost goes back to square 1. But if there's a line, they just go to the end of the line. So for the point system, it's literally just 2-11. So this is how you can score a point. Many examples. So say you're in square 4 where you can initiate the serve, and that's the only square that you can serve in. And you serve to square 2, which is where you have to serve every single time, which is diagonal of square 4. If you ace them, remember like all the basic volleyball rules apply to this game still. So say if you ace them, that's a point for you and you stay in the 4th square. But say you serve it out, right? That's not a point for you and you have to go rotate and back to square 1 or to the end of the line. So say the person in square 2 receives it and they don't shank it and they toss it over to square 3 and they score. That's a point for that person still in square 4. So really, my strategy is just to get the person out in square 4 so you can get to the top and stay there. And if there's a tie, same volleyball rules apply. You have to win by 2 points, so you can't just win 11-12, okay? And also you have to keep track of your own points. I really messed that up because I was like, oh, I have 6. If one person has 12 and another person has 11, they have to get to 13 to win. So you can purchase this CROSSNET on Amazon on their website, and I will leave all the links down below so y'all can go check it out. It's a great Christmas gift, and also it will really help you practice volleyball at home. It'll be so easy and so easy to set up. I was very shocked at that because I was a little intimidated. I was like, oh no, am I gonna know what to do? But the instructions are very clear. They come with pictures, which I really like because I'm a visual person. So yeah, I'll leave all the links down below. So I got a really good question about, do you need a volleyball coach or do you need like an actual gym to practice volleyball? And the answer to that question is no. You can literally go out in your backyard with a ball and just set against the wall, hit against the wall, pass yourself against the wall. That's literally how I became like a volleyball player, really, is that I started in my backyard by myself, just with one ball, just setting against the wall, hitting against the wall as much as I could, as often as possible. I encourage all of you to get out there, get a ball. That's what you definitely need, if anything, and just go out there and just set to yourself. You can even set in the air, pass in the air. Volleyball is all about reps and touches, so if you can give that to yourself, then literally you are golden. Also, if you have like, I don't know, a brother or sister, mom, dad, whoever, they can literally toss to you. You can practice your passing, or they can hit at you, and you can practice your digging. It's literally so easy to start, so I really encourage all of you just to get out there, literally go outside, breathe in some fresh air, and start playing volleyball. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I really hope you liked it. If you did, please subscribe, like this video, and also check out the CROSSNET. It will be linked in the description. I actually really had a lot of fun making this video, so thank you so much, CROSSNET, for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!